Good evening, good day, good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Cooking Mean Gene, and it's story time. Y'all ready for some story time? All right, let me tell you about what is eating clean with Cooking Mean Gene. Let me give y'all a little bit of information about me and where I plan to take this channel in the future. Just one moment. First of all, let me make this statement. Not everyone's version of eating clean is the same. Your desires, your opportunities, or your obstacles in life are different than the person's next to you, even if you have the same parents. So not everyone is going to have high blood pressure. Not everyone's pre-diabetic. Not everyone has a hormone imbalance. Some people are maintaining, some people are trying to get somewhere. So, with that being said, my job is to teach you about ingredients because everyone knows that the ingredients that you put in your that's in your food that you put in your body will make the difference on everything. It is very important to know the ingredients in your body because you need to know how they function in a recipe, how they function in your body, and again, we and the nutrient value. I should have put that on the screen. You need to know the nutrient value, but that's basically how it functions in your body. So, like just a few moments ago, I literally did have an avocado and a couple of bananas, independent of each other. And I realized I had enough potassium for today. And with all in the same half hour. I was like, okay, I did good today for potassium. Now I have to get some more magnesium and some vitamin D, but I did go outside today, so I did get some vitamin D. So I think I got my basics. So everything is different for everybody. Now going forward, I need you guys to know this. I am not a medical professional. Please don't consider me that. I am a Le Cordon Bleu culinary graduate. And I say that because I took the Le Cordon Bleu classes. I didn't pay the $2,400 to get the certificate on my diploma because they told us that 2 weeks before class started, if you want the certificate, pay $2,400, but you get the same training. I said, I ain't got no more funding to deal with. So anyway, I am a U.S. Army veteran, and most of all, I am a Christian woman of African descent. And I know most people see the African, they see the woman, and maybe they'll see the Christian if they want to get to know you. If they watch you long enough, you'll see the Christian. Because most people don't work in the spirit. They don't see it you spiritually first. So I understand that. And that is what it is. Stay around me long enough, you're gonna know about Jesus. Now, being an African, a person of African descent living in the United States of America can sometimes bring certain health issues. As y'all know, that there's certain stereotypes and certain things they say that happen to Black people in America. Yeah, we got diabetes, high blood pressure, hypertension, etc. That's not always true, but in my family, I noticed that each generation was suffering from almost the same exact preventable diseases and illnesses. And that is what spurred me to go on this journey. I decided to break these chains. I didn't want this to happen anymore to people in my family. Um, I just didn't want it. And thus it began my journey in seeking better ways of preparing my food to help stop my family from dying from preventable diseases and to live longer lives and happy lives and healthy lives. What's the point of living if you just are unhappy and you always have to have a cane because of some diabetic thing or your high blood pressure, this and that, and you can't do this in life. No, no. I decided I didn't want to do that. So that is why I begin this journey of eating clean. I am not here to diagnose anyone's illnesses. I am not a medical profession. I don't diagnose anything for anybody. I help you on your journey. I give you information. And I'm not here to bring you shame on your eating habits. I have Who am I to say that? Let me tell y'all something. This year I turned 56. As of this recording, I'm 56. This year, 2024, my stomach will not go down. And I figured it out. Well, God showed me. Hormones changed. And all the stuff that I used to do that I could lose weight with, lower the sugar, all the just trying to do a keto for a few days and I will lose some weight. Yeah. Nope. I myself have to redo my eating clean methods. I have to be more intense and more intentional. So because of my age, my body's hormones, I don't like admitting that or saying that because but I come to realize that bodies change. It's not that you're bad or something is wrong with you. It's just your body changes. It took me till this long to really be able to say that out loud. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So I have a special regimen I have to do. I have to redo my whole eating clean because I can't stay like this. I want my stomach to be snatched. I'm just saying. Now, I know and I am convinced on the authority of the Lord Jesus that no food in and of itself is wrong to eat. But if someone believes it is wrong, then it is wrong for that person. That's Romans chapter 14, verse 14, New Living Translation. Not everybody's going to eat the same thing. So I know that's kind of a broad thing to work with food and not narrow it down. But that you got to be in your niche. My niche is ingredients. My niche is Jesus. My niche is little comedy here and there and telling you the whole truth because you need to know the whole truth about it. I'm not trying to sell you a bunch of stuff, but I'm going to show you some products though that may help you. Just in case you guys haven't figured it out, I'm Cooking Mean Gene. I educate and demonstrate how easy it is to eat clean and how not to break the bank doing so. I got another version that I got to get used to saying. But I am here to assist you, to help you, to make your life better, not to make it complicated. Look at my slogan: educate, demonstrate, easy, eat clean, not break the bank. Those are the points that I must put every video, everything I do. I'm going to educate, demonstrate, easy, eating clean, not breaking the bank. That is that's my mission statement. So everything I do is it's going to be the simplest way. I can get some kind of a little more complicated, but most of the things are going to start with the easy way of doing things. All right. This You don't have to be a master chef knife skills to do what I'm going to show you. If you are, that's great. Wonderful. Um, but I want to educate and demonstrate easy, eating clean, not breaking the bank. That's the point. Now, what methods am I going to use to do this? That is the key part. Of course, you guys know I'm going to use some demonstration videos. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it in video so you can see it actually happening. That's very important, like this video. And then I have right now on my website, you see printable recipes. They're free. You can click on them and print them out from what you saw from the videos. And there's some on there that I haven't made videos for yet. So that's my other method. And then I also have some apparel for you guys. I have aprons, I have t-shirts. Um, Very soon, classes will be coming. I'll have those coming up soon. I haven't set those up yet because I got to get the right platform. There's one I saw and I got to find it where learning management system LMS. When I get the right one, I think I know what it is, but I need it to be smooth just the way I envisioned it. I have a cookbook, and I have more coming. So this one is on Amazon, and it's from 2018. I gotta do better. I gotta get more coming there. And then I have drinkware. Uh, I think I do have a couple. I have like about 10 mugs. I got some 10 ideals, but I haven't put them on my site yet. But this one is available because I just love that right there. I made that up. Yes, I did. I didn't paint the picture, but everything else I did. So I love that because I've been wanting to say that for a while now. I got a T-shirt for that too. All right, I do have digital and physical planners. The physical planners are coming. The digital planners, like this 30-day reset, is online already. It's already set up on the website. It's ready to go. I also have recipe book planners. So if you want to like collect a lot of recipes, this planner right here it holds up to 100 recipes, and all this can be is a there. You can download it as a PDF and you can put it in Good Notes or Notions and make it your own. And then the one thing I haven't done yet, but I'm ready to do very soon, is called is create nutritional guides. I have to figure out how I'm gonna format that the best I can because I have so many ideas, so many ways to do it. Um, I just have to figure out which is the best way. Maybe do all of them and see which one you guys like. So also, one more thing I need you guys to do that's really helpful for me. I need this is your part. I need you to share my videos. I need you to like them, comment on them, and subscribe to if you're not subscribed already. Because I want to grow my channel to a place where I don't have to have an outside job anymore. I want this to be my only job. Seriously. I really love doing this for you guys. I really am passionate about this. God put it on my heart to be passionate about this. I have not been as passionate for almost nothing else in life but dealing with food and showing people how to eat better. And I'm teaching myself as I go. And I do plan on one day getting a nutrition certificate. I really would love to do, and not even, I don't know what it would be, something in nutrition because I want to know more. I don't know enough, I think, but whatever I do know, all of that I do know, I will share with you guys. So come along with me on this journey. Let's have a good time. Let's just have fun together and join my Facebook group. It is free. And on the next one, I believe it's July 13th, is my next live show. Love you guys. I will see you later. Have a wonderful day.